Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to talk about yourself in English. This is an important skill that helps you communicate confidently with new people. Let's begin with some basic information. When introducing yourself, you can talk about your name, age, country, and where you live. These details help others get to know you better. You can also talk about your job and hobbies. For example, you can say, I work as a teacher, or I enjoy reading books. Sharing your interests helps you build conversations and connect with others. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself by sharing your name, age, country, job, and one hobby. Keep practicing and you'll become more confident speaking English every day. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Remember, every small step brings you closer to fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next lesson.